Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing great and full of positive energy. Today, I'm excited to share something a little unexpected. Have you ever had that terrifying moment while driving, when the world around you suddenly dissolves into blur? When the road fades, the horizon disappears, and even the car directly in front of you seems to vanish? 1 second you're confident, in control, moving forward with purpose. The next, you're gripping the steering wheel, unsure whether you're still in your lane, still on the road, or still safe. That is exactly what I experienced on one unforgettable journey. I was traveling through Oman, where sandstorms are not unusual. When I first noticed the sand in the distance, it didn't alarm me. It looked mild, just a thin veil of dust carried by the wind, nothing I hadn't seen before. I told myself it would pass quickly, but as I continued driving, the wind began to howl louder, stronger, more aggressive. The sand thickened, swirling violently, as if the desert itself had decided to rise and block my path. Within moments, everything changed. The road disappeared beneath a blanket of sand. The white lines that once guided me were gone. The car in front of me vanished as if it had been swallowed by the storm. I could no longer see the vehicles behind me, beside me, nothing but a wall of moving sand. Visibility dropped to almost zero. I couldn't tell if I was still driving straight or slowly drifting off the road. My heart began to race, and 100 thoughts collided in my mind all at once. Should I slow down? But what if the car behind me can't see me and crashes into me? Should I stop? But where exactly is the side of the road? What if I stop in the middle and someone hits me? Am I still in my lane? What if I veer off and fall into a ditch, or worse? Fear wrapped itself tightly around my chest. Every second felt heavy. Every decision felt dangerous. In that moment, you realize how fragile control really is, how quickly certainty can vanish, how powerless you can feel against nature. So I did the only thing I could do. I slowed down as carefully as possible, held the steering wheel firmly, and prayed. I prayed for guidance, for protection, for the storm to ease. I focused on staying calm, on breathing, on trusting that this moment, however frightening, would pass. And slowly, it did. Little by little, the sand began to thin. Shapes emerged, shadows turned into vehicles. The road lines reappeared beneath my tires, faint at first, then clear. The wind softened, the storm loosened its grip. And just like that, I was through it. When it was finally over, gratitude washed over me more strongly than fear ever had. I whispered, "Thank you, God." Not out of habit, but from deep relief, from knowing how close uncertainty had come, and how precious safety truly is. Do you know that feeling when an experience lasts only a few minutes, yet feels like the most important moment of your life? When time stretches because of tension, fear, and endless what-ifs. That's what that sandstorm felt like. A reminder of how quickly life can change, and how alert, humble, and cautious we must always be. Thank you for following along with my story. Let it remind us to always be careful, always present, and always grateful, because in real life, there is no rewind.